Spelt, an ancient grain with a rich history and numerous health benefits, has gained popularity in recent years as a nutritious alternative to modern wheat. Belonging to the species Triticum spelta, spelt is a type of hulled wheat that has been cultivated since at least 5000 BC. Its origins can be traced back to the Middle East, particularly in the region of present-day Iran, and it spread throughout Europe, becoming a staple in various ancient civilizations. Spelt was favored for its hardiness and ability to thrive in poor soil conditions, making it a reliable crop for early farmers. Over the centuries, spelt became a vital food source, especially in Germany and Switzerland, where it was extensively cultivated and integrated into local cuisines. The nutritional profile of spelt sets it apart from conventional wheat. It is rich in protein, dietary fiber, vitamins, and essential minerals such as iron, magnesium, and zinc. The high protein content in spelt, which ranges between 12–15%, makes it an attractive option for vegetarians and vegans seeking to boost their protein intake. The fiber in spelt aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut, while its complex carbohydrates provide sustained energy. Additionally, spelt contains a variety of antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These attributes have led to an increasing interest in spelt as a health food, particularly among those looking for alternatives to gluten-rich grains. Spelt is also notable for its unique flavor and versatility in cooking. It has a nutty, slightly sweet taste that enhances the flavor of a wide range of dishes. Spelt flour can be used in baking to create wholesome bread, pasta, and pastries, offering a more nutritious option compared to standard white flour. The grain can also be cooked whole, making it an excellent addition to salads, soups, and grain bowls. As more people turn to whole foods and ancient grains, spelt's adaptability in various culinary applications has contributed to its resurgence in popularity. Chefs and home cooks alike appreciate its ability to elevate dishes with both taste and nutrition. Despite its many benefits, spelt is not suitable for everyone. Although some individuals with wheat sensitivities find spelt easier to digest, it is important to note that spelt contains gluten, making it unsuitable for those with celiac disease or severe gluten intolerance. However, for many others, spelt can be a nutritious and delicious alternative to conventional wheat products. As interest in ancient grains grows, consumers are encouraged to explore the diverse uses of spelt in their diets, incorporating it into meals as a wholesome substitute for more processed options. The rise of spelt in modern cuisine reflects a broader trend towards sustainable and health-conscious eating. With an increasing number of consumers seeking organic and locally sourced ingredients, spelt aligns with these values by being a hardy crop that requires fewer chemical inputs and can be grown in diverse environments. Additionally, its low environmental impact makes it a preferred choice for eco-conscious consumers. As spelt continues to gain recognition in the health and wellness community, it symbolizes a return to ancient agricultural practices that prioritize nutrition and sustainability, reminding us of the importance of reconnecting with our food sources and embracing the grains of our ancestors. The future of spelt looks promising, with ongoing research exploring its potential health benefits and culinary applications, ensuring that this ancient grain remains a vital part of our diets for generations to come. Spelt's journey through history is also marked by its adaptability and resilience, particularly during periods of agricultural change. As farming practices evolved and the demand for higher-yielding crops increased, spelt was gradually overshadowed by more commercially viable wheat varieties. Despite this decline, spelt remained a vital food source in certain regions, particularly in the Alpine countries, where it adapted well to local growing conditions. Farmers in these areas continued to cultivate spelt for its robust nature and nutritional benefits. During the 20th century, as the organic and whole food movements gained momentum, spelt experienced a renaissance, with more people recognizing its health advantages and culinary potential. This revival has not only helped preserve traditional farming practices but has also reinvigorated local economies centered around spelt cultivation and production. In addition to its historical and nutritional significance, spelt is often praised for its potential health benefits. Research has shown that spelt may contribute to better blood sugar control, making it a suitable option for individuals looking to manage their glucose levels. The grain's low glycemic index, combined with its high fiber content, promotes steady energy release, preventing the spikes and crashes often associated with refined grains. Moreover, spelt is a source of essential fatty acids, which play a critical role in heart health. The presence of antioxidants in spelt, such as phenolic compounds, has also been linked to reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and certain types of cancer. By incorporating spelt into their diets, individuals can benefit from a holistic approach to nutrition that emphasizes the importance of whole grains in promoting overall health. Culinary enthusiasts have embraced spelt not only for its health benefits but also for its unique flavor and texture. In the kitchen, spelt flour can be used in various recipes, from bread and muffins to pancakes and cookies, providing a hearty, nutty flavor that elevates baked goods. Many artisanal bakers have begun incorporating spelt flour into their recipes, creating loaves with a dense, chewy texture that appeals to health-conscious consumers. The grain itself can be cooked and served as a side dish, similar to quinoa or barley, adding depth to salads and grain bowls. The versatility of spelt allows it to be utilized in a myriad of dishes, from savory to sweet, making it a favorite among chefs looking to experiment with ancient grains in their culinary creations. As the demand for spelt grows, sustainable farming practices surrounding its cultivation are becoming increasingly important. Spelt is often grown using organic farming methods, which prioritize soil health and biodiversity. This approach not only benefits the environment but also enhances the nutritional profile of the grain. Farmers who cultivate spelt typically engage in crop rotation, reducing the risk of pests and diseases and promoting a balanced ecosystem. The resurgence of spelt has led to increased interest in regenerative agricultural practices, where the focus is on restoring soil health and reducing the carbon footprint of food production. As consumers become more conscious of the environmental impact of their food choices, spelt stands out as a sustainable option that aligns with their values. Looking towards the future, spelt is likely to play a significant role in the ongoing conversation about food security and sustainable agriculture. With the challenges posed by climate change and the increasing global population, crops like spelt, which are resilient and require fewer resources, are essential. Research into spelt's adaptability to different climates and its potential for crossbreeding with other grains may unlock new possibilities for cultivation in diverse regions. As more people embrace a diet centered around whole foods and ancient grains, spelt is poised to become a staple in kitchens worldwide, reminding us of the timeless connection between our food, health, and the environment. Its journey from ancient cultivation to modern kitchens showcases the enduring value of spelt as not just a grain, but a symbol of nutrition, sustainability, and culinary creativity. Spelt's resurgence in popularity can also be attributed to its unique nutritional profile, which sets it apart from more common grains. Rich in protein, spelt contains a higher percentage of essential amino acids compared to conventional wheat, making it an excellent source of nutrition for vegetarians and those seeking plant-based protein sources. Additionally, spelt is a good source of several key vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and zinc. These nutrients are essential for maintaining overall health, supporting metabolism, and enhancing the immune system. The presence of complex carbohydrates in spelt not only provides sustained energy but also aids in digestive health due to its high fiber content. This nutritional richness makes spelt an attractive option for health-conscious consumers looking to enhance their diets with whole grains. Culturally, spelt has woven its way into various culinary traditions, particularly in regions where it has been historically significant. In Italy, for example, spelt is used to make traditional pasta, often hailed for its distinctive flavor and texture. In Germany, spelt bread is a staple, cherished for its hearty qualities and nutritional benefits. Similarly, in Switzerland and Austria, spelt is often used in traditional baked goods, reflecting the grain's deep-rooted presence in European cuisine. Beyond Europe, the increasing interest in spelt has sparked creative culinary innovations worldwide. Chefs and home cooks alike experiment with spelt in diverse dishes, ranging from salads and risottos to desserts and breakfast cereals, showcasing its versatility and adaptability to different culinary styles. As consumers become more aware of the importance of sustainable eating, spelt has emerged as a champion of eco-friendly food choices. Its lower resource requirements compared to modern wheat varieties make it a more sustainable option for farmers. Spelt is known for its hardiness, allowing it to thrive in less than ideal soil conditions and requiring fewer chemical inputs. This attribute not only promotes sustainable agriculture but also supports biodiversity and farming systems. Many farmers who grow spelt engage in regenerative practices, prioritizing soil health and environmental stewardship. By choosing spelt, consumers contribute to a more sustainable food system that values ecological balance and the preservation of traditional agricultural methods. Moreover, the growing interest in ancient grains like spelt is fueled by a shift towards holistic health and wellness. Consumers are increasingly seeking out foods that are not only nutritious but also promote overall well-being. Spelt fits perfectly into this narrative, as it is often associated with clean eating and the rejection of highly processed foods. Many health advocates highlight the importance of incorporating whole grains into diets to combat modern health issues such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. The push for more wholesome, nutrient-dense foods has led to a greater emphasis on grains like spelt, which align with the values of individuals seeking to improve their health and make informed food choices. Looking ahead, the future of spelt appears bright, with continued research and innovation likely to expand its reach and applications. Scientists and agronomists are exploring ways to enhance spelt's resistance to pests and diseases, ensuring its viability as a crop in the face of changing climate conditions. Additionally, advancements in agricultural technology may provide insights into optimizing spelt cultivation, making it an even more attractive option for farmers. As consumers continue to prioritize health, sustainability, and ethical food choices, spelt is well positioned to thrive in the global market. Its rich history, impressive nutritional profile, and cultural significance underscore its importance as a grain that not only nourishes the body but also supports a healthier planet. With a focus on preserving traditional practices and fostering innovation, spelt is set to remain a beloved and essential component of our diets for years to come. Spelt's historical journey has intertwined with the development of agriculture and human civilization. Originating in the Near East around 5000 BC, spelt was one of the earliest cultivated grains. Its robust nature made it a staple for ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians and Romans. Historical records suggest that spelt was highly valued for its nutritional benefits and adaptability to various growing conditions. Archaeological findings have uncovered spelt grains in ancient burial sites, indicating its significance in rituals and daily life. This rich history not only illustrates spelt's endurance over millennia but also highlights its role in shaping agricultural practices and dietary habits across cultures. In addition to its culinary uses, spelt has a fascinating role in the realm of nutrition and health. Unlike modern wheat, spelt retains a higher concentration of certain nutrients, including fiber, proteins, and B vitamins. This makes it a favorable choice for those looking to improve digestive health and overall wellness. The dietary fiber in spelt aids in maintaining a healthy gut, promoting regular bowel movements, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, the protein in spelt is easily digestible, which can be particularly beneficial for individuals with sensitivities to gluten, as many find spelt to be easier on the digestive system compared to modern wheat varieties. Spelt's unique flavor profile sets it apart from other grains, making it a favorite among chefs and food enthusiasts. Its nutty, slightly sweet taste adds depth to various dishes, enhancing both savory and sweet recipes. Spelt flour can be used in a wide range of baked goods, from bread and pastries to cookies and pancakes. The texture of spelt flour is finer than whole wheat, resulting in lighter baked products while still providing the benefits of whole grains. Additionally, spelt can be used in salads, soups, and grain bowls, offering versatility that appeals to diverse culinary preferences. As more people explore the flavors and textures of spelt, it has carved out a niche in both home kitchens and professional culinary settings. The environmental benefits of spelt cultivation further bolster its appeal in today's eco-conscious market. As consumers become increasingly aware of the environmental impact of their food choices, spelt stands out as a sustainable option. Its natural resilience allows it to grow in various climates with less water and fewer chemical fertilizers compared to conventional grains. This adaptability not only reduces the ecological footprint of spelt production but also supports sustainable farming practices. Many small-scale farmers who grow spelt often employ organic methods, contributing to soil health and biodiversity. By choosing spelt, consumers can feel good about supporting agricultural practices that prioritize the planet's well-being. In recent years, the rise of the slow food movement has further propelled spelt into the spotlight. This movement emphasizes the importance of locally sourced, minimally processed foods, encouraging individuals to appreciate the origins and production methods of what they eat. Spelt fits perfectly into this philosophy, as it is often grown by small farmers who value traditional practices. The connection to local food systems and the emphasis on seasonal eating resonate with consumers who seek authenticity and quality in their diets. As more people embrace the slow food movement, Spelt is likely to gain even more traction as a preferred grain, celebrated not only for its nutritional value but also for its cultural and historical significance.